This video is for those who evaluated Coastr a few years ago and decided not to move forward at the time. We heard you, and honestly you were quite right. 3 years ago, we were ambitious and moving fast, but we were still early. The platform was cloud-based and good enough to get you operating, but not enough to tackle every gritty detail. For some of you, that gap was a deal breaker, and I completely understand that. But what happened next is what I'm most proud of. We have always built Coastr alongside our customers, and listening to you is the best thing we have ever done. You told us where we were falling short, from reporting gaps and disconnected workflows to the need for deeper fleet management capabilities and stronger integrations. There were weeks where it felt relentless, but instead of pulling back, we leaned in. We rebuilt parts of the system from the ground up. We automated even more. We tightened our ecosystem of integrations and made user journeys as easy as possible. 3 years and over 1,000 enhancements later, our team is working relentlessly to deliver a solution that is complete in every financial aspect. And it doesn't stop there. We are still evolving every single day. What started as a rental management platform now covers subscriptions, leasing, fleet logistics, connected mobility, and more. One platform, multiple mobility models. Since we had the advantage of always being cloud-based, we could keep listening to your feedback and adding features seamlessly. And since we have created one system from the groundwork, not tried to assemble a patchwork of systems, we have been able to create a truly all-in-one rental and fleet ecosystem.
So if you thought we're the same software we were back then, we're not. We've come leaps and bounds based on our customers, industry experts' feedback. We've built a truly all-in-one rental and fleet ecosystem that takes care of all your needs under one roof. So head to coastr.com to get a demo today.